All right, guys, I'm here with Cora at Oris. And Cora, you have a really nice new Skotte type product, but it's definitely different, right?
Yes, definitely different. I kind of think it's a better mousetrap.
Okay.
And so this product line has been out for about 8 years. I've been cooking on it exclusively, and our friend who developed it never really took it to shows, so it actually has like a cult following.
Oh, wow.
And not a lot of people know about it, so that's why when I acquired the company last year, I'm like, I'm going to take it to the Overland Expos. We've been to these shows before, and we wanted a product that we can really sell to people that everybody's going to love.
Excellent. Can you show me exactly what makes it different?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, so here's our basic kit. It comes with a lid, comes with a cast iron Skotte, and it comes with a burner and a stand. We also include a heavy duty bag and a leg bag. And what's cool about the bag is when you're done cooking for the evening, you can take the bag and put it over your Oris and keep it protected throughout the night. Then when you're ready to go in the morning, you take it off. You don't have to take any pots and pans out. You're just ready to cook. So what's really unique about the Oris is the cast iron Skotte. And the cast iron, it heats really well and diffuses the heat well. So you can see on my demo one here, I've been cooking on this for a couple years. You can see the heat affected zone is more like a 12-inch skillet. So it's not super hot in the middle. It diffuses very well. And it actually really sips on propane. So I can get this cast iron hot, I can cook on it, and then I just turn it down real low and it cooks very evenly. And I can go through maybe just one pound tank in a 3-day weekend for my husband and I. Next part of the evolution of the Oris is you can take the cast iron off with 3 little thumb screws. With the cast iron off, you still have a burner, a 10K burner on a stand. So you can boil water, you can fire up your favorite pan, you can make some coffee, you can make some pasta. What else that's really cool is we include 3 stainless legs for your Skotte, and you can screw them into the bottom of your pan and you can cook over a fire. So let's get into some of the options and upgrades that you can do with your Oris. So first of all, we have a windscreen that goes underneath your cast iron. We also have an igniter, electric Pezio igniter, that you can bolt on real quick and easy. So if you want to run a bigger tank, you can just get one of these adapter hoses from us, or you can find one on Amazon and attach it directly to your burner and to a bigger tank. Okay, so here's where we pull out the big guns. We have a 60,000 BTU burner that you can bolt onto your Oris stand. We also have a grate to stabilize any big pots and pans so that you can brew beer, you can do a crawfish boil, you can do something really big on this burner. Your camping stove can also be your party stove. So it's not just sitting there in your garage wasting time. You can also convert it quickly, and for under $100, now you have a turkey fryer. Now you have other big boils, you can do canning, anything you don't want to do in the house, you can do out here on this burner.
So Cora, what's the retail on these?
Okay, so our basic kit with the steel legs, that one is $370. And then our aluminum leg kit, which is 8 pounds lighter, but $50 more, is $420.
Sounds like a pretty solid investment if you ask me.
Yeah, and there's free shipping built into that.
Oh, awesome. Great. You guys need to come to expos. Check these out in person because they're super cool. Cora, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Awesome.
All right, guys, I'm here at Kitworks with Greg. And Greg, you came out with a brand new, that I've never seen before, organizational tote. Tell me all about it.
Yeah, so we launched Kitworks in December of 24. 3 years of design development went into that. So basically what we're trying to do is bring organization first, modular, customizable gear management to pretty much any outdoor activity. And the way we're approaching this is with a platforms plus accessories approach. So we have released a gearbox, a gear tote in 2 different sizes, and an adventure duffel in 2 different sizes that are all customizable with dividers, pockets, organizers, different types of accessories to kind of accommodate any type of outdoor gear.
Excellent. You know, they look like amazing. Like I like the rigidness of it, but then it still folds all the way down, right?
Yeah, so our gearbox is collapsible, stackable up to 250 pounds, waterproof. So all of the product is RF welded TPU coated fabric, so it's waterproof by design. And the same thing is true across our gear totes. So they stand upright and open. Same thing is true of our adventure duffel, upright and open, so you can see all of your gear. That was important to us to bring to the whole line.
That's excellent. I've got a Patagonia duffel that I absolutely love. It looks very similar to your guys's, but it just flops. And you have to hold it open, you're digging through it. It's just not optimal. So that looks like a much better solution.
Thank you. Yeah, we actually, the duffel is the latest thing that we released a couple months ago. And the idea behind the duffel was to create a bag that would actually be as organized on day 5 as it was on day 1. So add as many dividers as you want, add pockets, gear cubes, and whether you're like going for a mountain bike trip or just like packing up clothing for a week of camping, everything stays in its place. Wet, dirty gear management is part of all the platforms. So like all the stuff stays in its place. Like that's the idea behind this whole thing. Okay, so this is our gear box in its collapsed state. And remove the lid. Underneath the lid, we've got a Velcro compatible surface with the ability to add any Velcro compatible organizers. These are utility pouches and band organizers. And then the reason that the gearbox is also stackable, we use ABS honeycomb for the side panels. So everything just opens up like this. And then to build the box, we just pop the panels into the sides like this. Those click down into the sides. And then once that is all set up, this thing is also, wait for it, so this is stackable up to 250 pounds. And that's our gearbox.
Absolutely genius. I love it.
Thank you.
And what are the price points on these?
So our gearbox is $299. Gear totes are $199, $159. And adventure duffel is $229 and $259, and then they're customizable with accessories that range from like $10 up to about $40.
Sick. And if people aren't coming to the shows to see them here, where can they find them at?
Mykitworks.com
Okay.
is the website, and we've got both an ability to build your own system or start with a couple of preloaded kits for everything from camp kitchens to mountain bike gear.
Excellent. Guys, come to the show. Check these out. They are very impressive. Greg, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Kelly.
I'm here at Wraplander with Sean. And Sean, you have once again come out with something that we have talked about a little bit, but now you've fully launched it and it's awesome. Tell me what you got.
Awesome. It's called Wraplander. It's a DIY topo car wrapping kit. I've been doing custom car wraps for quite a long time now, specializing in the off-road industry. And one thing that everyone really wants is topo on their car wraps. The problem
Now, why
is
is that?
it just looks cool, man.
It's awesome. It's just awesome.
It's like you topify everything these days. Problem is a custom car wrap, the price tag on it is pretty hefty. So a Toyota Tacoma, we charge about $4,000 to $5,000 for a full color change car wrap. A lot of people have a hard time spending that much money on a vehicle. So what we've done is launch a DIY car wrapping kit that gives you that same topo look without the custom car wrapping price.
Perfect. So I actually did my half of my truck with Sean's Wraplander kit like this past winter, like early in the winter. And then at West, he did the other side of the truck. We did a comparison, and believe it or not, his side was better. But it just goes to the fact that I've done a bunch of trails. It's been on the truck for like 6 months now, and it still looks flawless.
And you, I think, if I remember it, you installed it kind of in the like dead of winter.
Yeah, it was wintertime.
And vinyl, like, it's pretty workable. When it's super cold like that, it's a little harder to install, but it's still possible.
Yeah, obviously lots of heat with the heat gun, made it happen. But yeah, it's super durable. I was very surprised.
Awesome. The kit itself is really just a sheet of vinyl that we pre-cut circles and then 2 different thicknesses of lines. And then it's super easy to take those, peel them off, and apply it to the vehicle.
Right.
If you like, I can show you on the trailer here behind us.
Yeah, let's see it.
The vinyl, this is just one of the strips right here. It's very easy to work with, so usually I'll just kind of hang it over an edge, and then we'll just kind of cut that later on. But once you start putting it on, you can kind of just shape and design the topo how you want. Once you kind of put it on, if you're like, you know what, that's just not quite the look I'm going for, while you're still in the install process, you can just kind of peel it off and then reapply it and kind of just redesign it, the direction and what you want to do. Once you kind of get all the vinyl put on and you have your whole vehicle kind of designed how you want, to seal and lock that in, you just kind of give it some a heat gun to kind of post-heat it, and that seals the vinyl in. If you don't have a heat gun and you live somewhere where the sun's nice and hot, you can actually just park your vehicle out in the sun and let the sun bake it for about 2 to 3 hours, and then that locks the vinyl in. Once it's locked in and it's been heated proper, the vinyl's on there really well. So it seals it in. You can go and get it off-road it, get it all dirty, get it muddy, spray wash it. You can even pressure wash from a safe distance and it's gonna hold up just fine. The only thing that we recommend, and this is kind of true for any kind of vinyl wrap, like a full custom wrap or just logos on your vehicle, is that you don't go through like an automated car wash. And that's kind of common practice anyway in this industry with all your equipment. But super fun way to topify your vehicle at a fraction of the cost for a custom wrap.
Sean, that was awesome. Now, what kind of colors can you option for this?
A lot of color options. On our website, we have, I don't know, I think there's around 17, 18 different colors. And honestly, every week or two, I'm adding some new ones in just based off of like demand and supply and demand with our manufacturers and what people are asking for.
Excellent. And what's the kit cost?
The kit costs $138. One kit's enough to do a full vehicle. So I think your Toyota Tacoma pretty much wrapped the whole thing. And I think we even had extra kits or extra lines.
Yeah.
So one kit's that. We also sell booster kits, which is just additional lines that you can add in. So if you want to need a few more lines of the same color, or many people actually been doing it as an accent color. So if you want to add a little splash of red with like a black topo, it's a cool way to do it. The booster kits are, I think they're $55.
Okay. And where do people find these at if they're not here at the expo to see you?
Awesome. Wraplander.com.
Perfect. Be sure to check it out. 1, Sean's cool. 2, this is cool. You guys got to check it out. Thanks, Sean.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
I'm here with Sean at Cargo Kits, and Sean, you just launched a brand new rear seat delete and accessory panel that's blowing my mind. Tell me all about it.
Well, we just did the 2024 and plus Toyota Tacoma
Wait, hang
rear
on.
seat delete.
Don't I have the very first prototype of that?
You do?
The very first one ever.
And now we've updated it, and yours is outdated.
Just like that. Went from cool to not cool.
But luckily, the panels can swap out. We'll get you fixed up.
Modularity is important.
That's right.
Excellent.
Yeah. You got the first prototype, obviously. We're going to get you updated, but we're going to have a series of accessories, hooks to mount things, strap things. We're going to have the Molly panel on the rear wall, ARB compressor mounts, possibly a hidden tank inside the wall. We have that in the vehicle. Prototypes are not all on the website yet, but they will be soon.
Excellent. I saw Ben's, the one you did at Ben at Truck, and I mean, it's slick, buddy. Like, the execution that you put the detail or attention to detail is just next level.
I appreciate that. That's what we strive for. We try to use premium materials and just build a really quality product made in America.
Excellent. And there's no wood in this at all, right?
Zero.
Okay.
It's aluminum, stainless steel hardware, and high density polyethylene.
Which is pretty much like gonna last forever.
Yes.
Okay.
It will.
Excellent.
But they can be replaced. All the decking panels are removable. They're modular. You just take one out. You can put a new one in if you ever did gouge it really bad. I mean, they're not impervious, but they're solid throughout. There's no coating you need to rely on to retain that waterproofness.
Okay, so the install that I did on mine, is it going to be the same install with the updated version, or has anything changed?
It's the same install. The spacers have changed. We're going to use a rubber spacer just to give a little cushion to that. But that's and they're adjustable because you can, if you change your suspension, you can change the rake of the vehicle and the platform may not be level. With the rubber spacer, you have some adjustability. If you change the suspension rake, you can tighten it a little bit more and it just compresses, or you can loosen it and it'll ease up. And it also acts as a lock washer almost with the tension that you can put in the rubber.
And I can honestly say that the install is super easy. I mean, I did it in a few hours. It took me a little bit longer with video, but if you want to see the actual process, I'll link that in the description below. But I mean, the install was super easy.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I think I can do one now probably in about an hour, the whole thing, start to
jealous.
finish.
Okay, and what's the price point of these?
So the 60% is $775. The 40% is $575. So if you get both, it's $1350. The options, we don't have pricing just yet. We will soon. We just finished like 2 days before the expo, so
Nice.
we'll have all that stuff updated and on the website shortly.
Excellent. Be sure to check him out. One, Cargo Kits is awesome. Sean, family business, and it's excellent. And what's your website, Sean?
CampCargoKits.com.
Be sure to check it out. Thanks, Sean.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm here at Boss Lighting with Fritz. And Fritz, you guys have a brand new light to this market. It's been around for a little while, but it looks awesome. Tell me all about it.
Yeah, so thanks, Kelly. This is great. We're really happy to talk with you. It's good to see you. Yeah, we're Boss Lighting. We're based out of Punta Gorda, Florida. All of our products are made completely in our factory in Florida, so all U.S. made. Super unique lights. We run from about $4.99 all the way up to $24.99, depending on the size of the light. And we've got a couple of things about our lights that are super unique. One is that we have proprietary and patented cooling technology, and heat is the enemy of any light, right? It'll reduce the effectiveness and the brightness of the light. Our lights, you could leave them on for 24 hours, put your hand on top of them, and they feel cool to the touch.
Oh, wow.
And what that means is that you get full performance the whole time. So that's a really unique feature. So you get all that light all the time. The second unique feature is we are absolutely the brightest light on the planet. So our lowest light is 7,000 lumens, and our highest light is 150,000 lumens. Now that 7,000 lumen light is brighter than the bright lights on your stock vehicle. Your OEM headlights are less bright than our smallest 2 LED light. The other lights are so bright that it shoots out over a mile. So nothing is in the dark anymore. You are literally turning night into day. So we've got an incredible value proposition, and people have been really excited about it. It's heirloom quality build, stuff will last forever, and super unique. Nothing else like it on the market.
Excellent. You know, I've watched a couple of the demos, and Steve walked me through his truck at PNW,
Yep.
and they're, first of all, I will say that just the look of the light itself, they're gorgeous. Like, they have like a very unique look to them. I really like the way they look. The wiring. I know you have a toggle that can actually you can basically mess with the lumens to like make it brighter and dimmer. How does that work?
So yeah, so integrated into the whole platform is a dimmer switch.
Okay.
And that dimmer, what's fantastic about the dimmer is that it allows you to go from full brightness to scene lighting. So instead of having multiple lights on your vehicle, right, just specific to scene lighting or specific to going down the road, if you're at camp and you want dimmer light, you just turn the dimmer down. And now you've got very usable light in camp. The other place where it's really important is oncoming traffic, let's say. And so when that oncoming traffic is coming towards you, you don't have to turn your light off, just dim it.
Right.
You're all fine, right? Or now, so many people run amber lights, and we have amber lights as well, but you don't need them necessarily because you can turn that light down and you no longer get that reflection off whatever Mother Nature is throwing in front of you. So a lot of very valid reasons to have that dimmer.
It's cool. All right, and what's the price point on these?
Yeah, so again, the price point runs from $4.99 all the way up to $24.99. Now, keep in mind that $24.99 is a 40 LED 3-row light bar that puts out 150,000 lumens. So that's bananas, right? And then the $4.99 price point is a 2 light, but again, brighter than the headlights on your vehicle. So you get a huge punch for a very small form factor. So an incredible value.
Excellent. But these guys are super cool. What's the website for you guys to check these out?
Yeah, just come see us at bosslighting.com. I think you'll be really excited to learn about the product. Again, all made in America, right in Florida, and we'd love to talk to you.
For all you guys out there that are always saying, made in America, this is your jam right here. Fritz, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Kelly.